A parameter is a number whose value can be changed. You can create a parameter with no units, with an angle unit, or a distance unit. I'll create a parameter with no units by tapping this tool. A preview appears of a parameter. I'll tap the green check mark to place it in my sketch. I can now change the value of the parameter by tapping in this box. When I do, the number pad appears. I'll change the value of the parameter to 5. I can also rename the parameter. I'll tap the text widget and then the parameter. I'll now change the parameter's name to A. I can use parameters in many ways. Here is one example. This is the graph of the function f of x equals x squared. I'd like to change the function to f of x equals ax squared and then experiment with different values of a to see their effect on the graph. To do so, I'll double tap f of x to edit it. I'll now place the cursor to the left of x squared and tap A to insert it into the function. I'll insert an asterisk and then tap OK to complete the editing. My function is now f of x equals ax squared. I can enter different values of a and see how the graph changes.